What's up guys, today I will show you how to download the new Blender 3.0 in less than a minute. First go to blender.org. Then click on download. Scroll down and click on download Blender Experimental. Then click on the Blender 3.0 Alpha. After it's done downloading, extract the zip file. After it's done extracting, click on Blender. And that's it. If you want more Blender content like this, then tell me in the comments section below. So here's the surprise, you can download After Effects, Premiere Pro and even Photoshop for free on my website. Video and website's link in the description below.